welcome. Please, we welcome you. Thank you for celebrating the Anambra State. Thank you for the national spirit that you exude. Thank you for patriotic zeal. Thank you for love.
This parade, we observe the Nigerian police flag, immediately after the Nigerian flag. We observe that we have a brief background which symbolizes the national identity and the connection between the Nigerian police and Nigeria as a nation.
All right, let's welcome to this great occasion Honorable Osoma Onuli, the former member of Anambra State House of Assembly, who represented Onitsha South 1 in the House of Assembly.
And power of the force. Of course, you can also observe the shield with the Nigerian police flag, which represents protection of citizens.
Let's welcome, ladies and gentlemen, also Dr. Ekwoso Idekumaworo Mana Yese. I am saying no. Let's welcome also, ladies and gentlemen, Kista Ezeventus Bono Akunesio Bike Embossy. I am saying no. For the Vendi people, Zanaka stakeholder in a Pusugo local government area of Anambra State. Permit me to appreciate the member representing Onitsha South, two-time Anambra State House of Assembly, Honorable Barrister Jude Umenna Chigo. You're highly welcome.
Our royal fathers are arriving. Eminent persons are arriving too. I'd like to welcome the Obio.
Opatozwara. Opole Yankee.
Yes. Chief Stanford Dike is here.
Opole.
Welcome you, sir. The chair, Ivan Otiano, is also here. Ebet Kuso. Good. No.
Oh, yes. While we wait for the special guest of honor.
I am Abatawa, dear brother, colleague, Tony 1 week, more than ago. Every morning, I am saying no. Honorable Amatori is in the building. He young man, Hey, in the position, Egafo, Sir Emeka is here, and his amiable wife, ladies and gentlemen.
And they also be at a laugh that we will soon start this great event.
Many welcome to this Ezemanko Ewe Pudikananka, former people of Urumba Northern South in the house. Agadaba Peluso, we welcome you. Prince Ato Eze. But I believe it is always a delight having you. Abolition